Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel Online Study Assam. Today we will discuss about the Assam Police previous year question that was held in 2017 of ABUB Constable. Now let us discuss the questions. The first question is International Yoga Day is celebrated on. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on which day? The answer will be 21 June. Every year in 21 June, the International Yoga Day is celebrated. The second question is, who is also known as Dihinya Raja? Dihinya Raja, who is also known as Dihinya Raja? And the answer will be Suhumu. Suhumu is also known as Dihinya Raja, and remember that he is also known as Swarganarayan. He have acquired the title Swarganarayan, and also he created the post of Sodia Khwa Gohai. The Sodia Khwa Gohai post is created by him, and also he adopted the Saka era in Assam. So he was the king who have the title called Swarganarayan. Also he have created the post of Sodia Khwa Gohai, and he have adopted the Saka era. He is Dihinya Raja or Suhumu. The third question will be, the first Assamese daily newspaper and the answer will be Dainik Batari. That was in 1935 to 36. In that period, that period 1935 to 36, this Dainik Batari was published. Now let us move to the next question, that is fourth question of the day. How many constituencies are there in Lok Sabha from Assam? From Assam there are how many Lok Sabha constituencies? Now the answer will be 14. There are 14 Lok Sabha LS seats present from Assam. If the question asks how many RS seat, Rajya Sabha seats are there from Assam, then answer will be 7. And how many Vidhan Sabha seats are there, then it will be 126. So remember, there are 14 seats for Lok Sabha, 7 seats for Rajya Sabha, and Vidhan Sabha 126 from Assam. What is the name of the next question, or the 5-number question is, what is the name of the capital? What is the name of the capital of Lakshadweep? And the answer will be Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. On the other hand, Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Port Blair of Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Kavaratti is of Lakshadweep. The next question is 6th number, and the question is, who had written the book named Prahlad Charita? Who have written the book Prahlad Charita? And the answer will be Hem Kharaswati. Hem Kharaswati have written the book Prahlad Charita. Now the 7th number question is, Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? The Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? And the answer will be in 1971. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded, and its first meeting was held in Sivasagar. And the Assam Sahitya Sabha first president was Padmanath Gohai Borua, PGB, or Padmanath Gohai Borua. On the other hand, the present president of Assam Sahitya Sabha is Dr. Kuladhar Saikia, Dr. K. Saikia or Kuladhar Saikia. So remember these three information. One is when did the Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded. The next is who was the first chairman of, or the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. That was Padmanath Gohai Borua. And the next information is who is the present president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. That is Dr. Kuladhar Saikia. Let's move to the 8-number question. The question is, who was the first vice president of India? Who was the first vice president of India? And the answer will be Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first vice president of India. On the other hand, if the question came that if the question will come like this, that who was the first president of India, then the answer will be Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. On the other hand, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first vice president of India. The ninth question is, India-Pakistan border is called what? India-Pakistan border is called what? And the answer will be Redcliffe Line. India-Pakistan border is called Redcliffe Line. On the other hand, if the question comes, what is India and China border called? Then the answer will be McMahon Line. Now let us move to the 10th question. Who is the first king of Assam? Sorry, the question should be, who was the first king of Assam? And there is slightly typing mistake here. So the question will be, who was the first king of Assam? And the answer will be Mairanga Danav. He was the founder of Danav dynasty, Danaba, and he was the first king of Assam. Now let us move to the 11th question. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? Who composed the song Vande Mataram? And the answer will be B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, not Chattopadhyay. It should be Chatterjee. Here also typing mistake, I am sorry for that. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And this Vande Mataram is National Song of India. National Song of India. And it is published in the Anand Math. Anand Math, that is book, published this Vande Mataram song. Please, I am sorry for this mistake of Chattopadhyay to Chatterjee and other typing mistakes present in the PDF or the video. 12th number question is, Madhavdev was born in. So the answer will be Letego-Pufuri. Madhavdev was born in Letego-Pufuri, and he born in 1489 and died in 1596. He was born in 1489 and died in 1596. And remember, Madhavdev have written Nam Gokha. Nam Gokha is associated with Madhavdev. On the other hand, Kirtan Gokha is associated with Srimanta Hankardev. Nam Gokha is associated with Madhavdev and Kirtan Gokha is associated with Srimanta Hankardev. These two, Kirtan Gokha and Nam Gokha, are very confusing. So remember this. 13th number question is, who established the first tea garden in Upper Assam? Here also there is slight typing mistake. I am sorry for that. Who established the first tea garden in Assam? The question should be, who established the first tea garden in Assam? And the answer will be Maniram Devan. In fact, Maniram Devan is the first one to establish tea garden in whole India. If the question asks who established the first tea garden in India, then also the answer will be Maniram Devan. So let's move to the next question. 14th number question is, how many districts present in Assam? So the answer will be 34. As of now, there are 34 districts present. I have modified the options according to present. So at that time these options were not present. So today there are 34 districts present in Assam, and the 34th district is Bajali. The 34th district is Bajali. So this question can become that today also, that how many districts are present in Assam today. So 15th number question is, what was the last capital of Ahom Kingdom? What was the last capital of Ahom Kingdom? And the answer will be Jorhat. On the other hand, if the question comes, what was the first capital of Ahom Kingdom, then the answer will be Saraidev. Saraidev was the first capital of Ahom Kingdom. On the other hand, Jorhat is the last capital of Ahom Kingdom. Let's move to the 16th number question. Who discovered tea in Assam? And the answer is very simple here. Robert Bruce discovered tea in Assam. Robert Bruce discovered tea in Assam. What is the total area of Assam? It's the most common geography question, and it get asked in many exams of Assam relating to Assam geography, and the answer will be 78,438 square kilometer. The total area of Assam is 78,438 square kilometer. Now let us move to the 18th question. In which year was Rabindranath Tagore awarded the Nobel Prize? In which year Rabindranath Tagore awarded the Nobel Prize? And the answer will be 1913. 1913 he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature. Remember the field, literature. And also remember he was awarded for the book Gitanjali. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. So 19th number question is, Quit India movement was started in which year? Quit India movement was started in which year? And the answer will be 1942. In 1942 the Quit India movement was started, and also this Quit India movement is also known as August Kranti. August movement or August Kranti. Remember this fact. 20 number question is, in which year the Saraighat battle was fought? In which year the Saraighat battle was fought? So the answer will be 1671. The Saraighat battle was fought in 1671. This is also a very common question, get asked in many exams of Assam. Now the Arjuna Award is given for which of the following category? The Arjuna Award is given for which of the following categories? And the answer will be what? Answer this in comment section. I want to know how many of you like to have video in English language also. So please answer if you are a viewer of English language. So please answer this question of 21. The Arjuna Award is given for which of the following category? Politics, literature, speech or sports? I want to know how many of you want video on English language also. So for that purpose I want to comment you in the comment section below. 22 number question is, the Constitution of India was adopted on? The Constitution of India was adopted on, and the answer will be Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and fully enacted in 26 January 1950. Remember, in 1949 26 November it is adopted, the Constitution of India adopted, and on the other hand in 26 January 1950 it was fully enacted, the Constitution was fully enacted. Now let us move to the 23rd question. Battle of Plassey took place in the year? In which of the following year the Battle of Plassey took place? And the answer will be 1757. On the other hand, if question came like this, when the Battle of Buxar happens or took place, then the answer will be 1664. These are, oh sorry, not 64, 1764. These are two questions which are keep repeating in many exams, and these are two most important questions, that is Battle of Plassey in 1757, on the other hand Battle of Buxar in 1764. So let us move to the 24th question. The 24th question is, state animal of Assam. The state animal of Assam is one-horned rhinoceros. On the other hand, if the question comes, what is the state bird of Assam, then the answer will be white-winged wood duck. Wood duck. White-winged wood duck. So remember that fact. Now 25th number question is, Saina Nehwal is associated with which sport? Saina Nehwal is associated with which sport? And the answer will be badminton. And remember that Sania Mirza is related to tennis, and Sania Nehwal is related to badminton. Sania Mirza tennis, Sania Nehwal badminton. Now 26 number question is Gautam Buddha was born at, and the answer will be Lumbini, Nepal. In Lumbini, Nepal, Gautam Buddha was born. And remember that the 4 council of Gautam Buddha short trick is RVPK, AK. That is, R means Rajgriha, Vaishali, Patliputra and Kashmir. Remember, R means Rajgriha, Vaishali, P means Patliputra. I am talking about the councils of Gautam Buddha, Buddhist councils that was held in different regions under different kings, and this is the regions short trick of region, that is RVPK. R means Rajgriha, V means Vaishali, P means Patliputra and K means Kashmir. On the other hand, the kings, name of the kings are AK. Short trick of the name of the kings are AK, that is Ajatsatru, Kalasoka, Asoka and Kanishka. Ajatsatru, Kalasoka, Asoka and Kanishka. I hope you understood this. There are 4 councils that were held of Buddhist in different regions. So these are the 4 regions and respective kings present at that time. 27 number question is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started from where? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started from where? And the answer will be Rajghat. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started from Rajghat, and it was started in 2 October 2014. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started from Rajghat, and it was started in 2 October 2014. Now remember, Rajghat is the memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. And this question also kept repeating in many questions like SSC GD exams. The latest exam of SSC GD held in I think yesterday itself. The question came that what is the name the following associated with Mahatma Gandhi. Name of the following regions, sites that is associated with Mahatma Gandhi, and the Rajghat also in the option was present. So the answer will be Rajghat. 28 number question. I hope you understood the Rajghat fact. 28 number question who was the first Ahom king? And the answer will be Sukafa. Sukafa is the first Ahom king. And 29 number question is Namgukha was written by, not established by, I am really sorry for that mistake. Namgukha was written by, and the answer will be Namgukha was written by Madhavdev. On the other hand, Shankardev have written Kirtan Gokha. I have already told that fact, and these Kirtan Gokha and Namgukha are very confusing type of books. So Namgukha was written by Madhavdev. On the other hand, Shankardev have written Kirtan Gokha. So let us move to the 13th number question. Sarthewari is famous for making what? So the answer will be bell metal utensils. Sarthewari is famous for making bell metal utensils. And the 31 number question is Jayamati movie released in which year? And the answer will be 1935. Jayamati movie was released in 1935, and it was the first movie of Assam. And And the last question of today is, what is the current population of Assam according to the census 2011? And the answer will be 3.12 crore. 3.12 crore is the population of Assam according to the 2011 census. On the other hand, if the question came like this, that what is the highest populous district of Assam, then the answer will be Nagaon. Nagaon is the highest populous district of Assam. Now, I think I am the first channel that is creating content on Assam Police in English also. So please support this and please share this. I generally don't say this, that please support, like or share, but as I am creating a content in wholly English also, so please support. Thank you.